Hello everybody, this is Preeti from Nitish Preeti channel. In the world, all organisms move from one place to another place in search of food, which needs energy a lot. Next, in coordination of nervous system to do all kind of activities also needs energy. Next, in living organisms, all cells need to be supplied with proper nutrient, oxygen, and the waste should be excreted. That is, carbon dioxide waste should be excreted out. For this purpose also, energy is needed. For all the purposes, energy is needed. So, from where do we get this energy? We get this energy from the nutrients only. So, to transport the nutrients to all parts of the body, an efficient mechanism is needed. Efficient mechanism is needed. So, what kind of efficient mechanism is there in smaller organisms like sponges and coelacanth? What kind of mechanism is there to supply the nutrients as well as to collect all the waste from the organism? Means the mechanism is taking place in these kinds of sponges and coelacanth is diffusion process. Diffusion process. So how it takes place? The whole body of an organism contains many small holes, and the water which is entering into the small holes which supplies the nutrients to the organism, and the water which is coming out from the body will collect and come all the excretory waste from the organism. Thus the coelacanth and sponges will get supplied the nutrients, and the nutrient will be excreted by the process called the diffusion process. This is for smaller organisms, it's okay. What about the multi-complex structural organisms like human beings? What kind of mechanism is activating in human beings? That we are going to see in detail. So, all kind of multicellular organisms also needs the nutrient to be supplied and the excretory product to be excreted from the body. For that, an efficient mechanism needed in the multicellular organisms is called as circulatory system. Circulatory system. So, what is the process? What is the concept behind this circulatory system? Means bulk flow system. So, the circulatory system works under a process of bulk flow system. That is, the nutrients will be pushed up into the body, and the excretory items will be collected in a bulk amount through this circulatory system. So the fluid which is involved in this bulk flow system is called as body fluid. What is the fluid involved in this bulk flow system? Is called as body fluid. So, is there any types in this body fluid? Means yes, there are two types of body fluids are there. One is intercellular body fluid, and another one is extracellular body fluid. So what are the two types of body fluid present in the bulk flow system? There is intracellular body fluid and extracellular body fluid. So here, extracellular body fluid is again divided into three types. Interstitial fluid or tissue fluid. Plasma and lymph. So what are the three types of extracellular one is interstitial or tissue fluid, another one is plasma, and another one is lipid. So these are the body fluid which is involved in the work of a blood flow process, which is taking place in the circulatory system. Now, let me see what's the functions of this circulatory system. So, functions of circulatory system. Functions of circulatory system. First function. For the survival of all organisms or cells, nutrients is very much needed. So this circulatory system helps in the supply of nutrients to all the cells of our living organisms. So helps to supply nutrients to all cells. Next, point number 2. All organisms needs oxygen for their survival, and as well as the carbon dioxide also to be excreted from the body. So this circulatory system helps in the helps to supply oxygen and excretes CO2. Excretes CO2 from the organisms. Next point, the hormones which is secreted by the endocrine glands is also needed to be supplied to the target region, needed to reach the target region. So for that, who carries the secretion hormone secreted by the endocrine glands means this helps to supply hormones to the target region. Next, all kinds of excretory waste also, not only the gaseous waste, CO2 alone is collected from the body to the blood, but all kinds of excretory waste also should be removed from the body. That excretory waste is also collected by this circulatory system only, and it helps the excretory system to excrete all the waste materials. So we can have it as helps to collect all the excretory waste to reach the excretory system. Reach the excretory system. Right? And next, last but not least, it also helps in the maintenance of homeostatic regulation, and as well as helps in the body temperature maintenance also. So fifth, helps to maintain homeostatic condition and body temperature. So what is this homeostatic condition? Homeostatic condition means both physically and chemically our body should be balanced in nature. That condition is called as homeostatic condition. So what is the functions of the circulatory system is it helps to supply the nutrients to all parts of the cell. Next step, it helps to supply the oxygen to all the cells and as well as collects the carbon dioxide as an excretory waste from the cells to the excretory organ. Next, it helps to supply organs to the hormones to the target region, which is secreted by the endocrine glands, and next helps to collect all the excretory waste. Not only carbon dioxide is an excretory waste produced in our body, other than this carbon dioxide, whatever the excretory waste is produced by our body and our cells, everything is collected and it helps to reach that excretory waste to the excretory system. And next step helps to maintain the hemostatic condition and as well as to maintain the constant body temperature.